Thanks to the 3D Input Cursor Constraints option, design objects in G-STAR-BIM 2027 is easier than ever. In addition to the familiar modes, there are new options for drawing the desired surface on a given plane, making the process faster, simpler, and more efficient. These commands are particularly useful when using sketch mode, as they allow you to transform any object according to your needs. With the offset loop command, you can create a hole in the surface that matches the shape of the original perimeter. When drawing lines, you can fix their direction by clicking on the blue, green, and red arrowheads that appear, so you only need to specify their length. By pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard, you can fix the plane on which you want to draw, so from now on you can always create surfaces on the desired plane. Press the up arrow to lock the drawing tool to the blue plane, the left arrow to lock it to the red plane, and the right arrow to lock it to the green plane. If the size of the created surface is not suitable, we can modify it afterwards. Thanks to the snapping command, we can align the planes with each other. It is also possible to create special slanted surfaces in the program. When drawing a rectangle, you can specify the bottom and top planes that you want to connect. In this case, the program automatically aligns the two parallel edges to the selected planes. With the help of auxiliary lines, we can specify points on our model that would not be accessible by default. The rotate copy command saves time, as we can create identical but rotated surfaces with a single click. Using these functions, there is no need to repeat time-consuming steps. Simply copy the elements that have already been created. Once editing is complete, we can delete the auxiliary lines from our model. We can easily connect the surfaces we have already created by adding new surfaces. With the push-pull command, you can create a shape with a cross-sectional profile of the given surface. Specify the amount of push or pull, and the shape is created immediately. Save the finished object to your library to ensure that it will always be available in the future. We can use the existing folder system, but we can also add new folders to our library, allowing us to customize it completely. When we exit sketch mode, we will find the item we just saved in our library, which we can now use freely in any of our projects.